In this tutorial, we're going to walk through document sharing in Lamplight. Document sharing, unlike publishing to the public library, allows you to share your documents with specific Lamplight users. You can share a document to get feedback from others as you draft it, or perhaps you have a church group you want to share your document with, such as a tract, flyer, or sermon. It's important to note that sharing a document doesn't give users permission to edit it. While they can add comments to your document, if you allow commenting, they cannot change the content. To start, open the document you want to share. Then go to the File tab and click Share. At the top, you'll see two tabs, Invite and Manage Share Permissions. We'll start with Invite. Before anything else, check the document status. Sharing works when a document is in draft or published status. If the document is archived, Lamplight will stop the share flow and prompt you to move it back to draft or published first. Next is the distribution section. Just like the publish flow, sharing depends on distribution rights being confirmed. If they haven't been confirmed yet, tick the checkbox to confirm that you have rights to distribute all included content. Then click Confirm Distribution Rights. Once that's saved, the dialog will show that distribution rights are already confirmed for this document. Now move to the recipient email. Type the full email address of the person you want to share the document with, then tab or click outside the field to validate it. Lamplight checks for a registered account. If the match is found, you'll see that the recipient is ready to share. If no registered account is found, the email won't validate, so you'll need to check the address or confirm with the user that they're registered with Lamplight, or perhaps are using a different email account. You can also enter multiple email addresses for the recipient emails, and for convenience, you can paste a comma or semicolon separated email list. Just remember, if you add multiple email addresses to the recipient list, the permissions you select will be applied to all listed users. Below that is Permissions. This is where you decide what the recipient is allowed to do with the document. You can allow them to duplicate it, print it, view comments, and comment. Notice that commenting depends on comment visibility. If you enable comment access, Lamplight also enables view comments. And if you turn view comments off, comment access turns off with it. In some cases, certain permissions may be unavailable. For example, if the document you're sharing is based on another user's document and it has a no derivatives license, duplicate access can be disabled. And if the document is under certain takedown restrictions, duplicate or print access may also be disabled. Once the recipient is validated and the permissions look correct, click Share. Now let's switch to the Manage Share Permissions tab. This is where you review and control existing access. You'll see the people who currently have active shares on the document. For each shared user, you can choose Edit to open their access settings. That lets you adjust the same permissions again: duplicate, print, view comments, and comment. When you're done, click Save to update the share. If you need to remove access completely, click Revoke. That removes the document from that person's shared access list. So the big idea is this. The Share Document dialog gives you controlled, person-by-person access. You decide who can open the document, what they can do with it, and you can come back later to update or revoke that access at any time. In the next tutorial, we'll continue with the next part of the document workflow.